Hi everyone, Mike Suchino, Master Herbalist here with Z Natural Foods, and today's video is going to be 5 reasons you should consider potentially using instant coffee on occasion. But before we get started, I need to mention 2 quick things. First, if you'd like more information about me, you can go to my YouTube channel, which is a Master Herbalist Perspective, or you can go to znaturalfoods.com and check out my videos and articles and product descriptions. With that said, the next thing I need to mention is our medical disclaimer. The information you're about to receive is for educational purposes only and is not intended to treat, prescribe, or diagnose any general or specific medical condition, and it is not to be used as a substitute for your primary healthcare provider's treatment protocol or medical information. With that said, let's get rolling. So, 5 reasons to consider using a high-quality, well-made instant coffee. With a long-standing reputation for being bitter, cheap, and unsatisfying, and insulting to your taste buds, today's instant coffee differs significantly from what your grandparents used to drink. It was not uncommon that if your first cup of coffee or your first coffee experience was a cup of instant coffee, you probably never drank coffee again. Well, that's all changed. And thanks to technology, we now can enjoy a delicious, bold, and flavorful cup of instant coffee. While it will never replace a well-made cup of coffee, if produced correctly, today's instant coffee can hold its head high and take second place on the winner's podium. The coffee world's once known adopted middle child is back with a vengeance and demands respect. Today, we invite you at Z Natural Foods to discover the versatility of instant coffee. It is not just about the coffee itself, but the endless possibilities it offers in the culinary world. From desserts to savory dishes, instant coffee can spark your culinary creativity. We'll also share some creative recipes that use instant coffee to create something spectacularly delicious, inspiring you to explore its potentials. As we've mentioned, technology can transform something average into something exceptional. Instant coffee is a prime example of this. So, reason 1 is a significant improvement in the quality of coffee products. The switch from spray dry to freeze drying and its advancements has elevated the quality of instant coffee. So, let's just quickly dive into the difference between these 2 specific methods. Spray drying is a method and a testament to efficiency and practicality. The coffee extract is efficiently sprayed into a stream of hot air, and as the droplets descend through a tall cylinder, they dry and transform into a fine powder. This powder then undergoes further processing, which texturizes it into granules. This method, renowned for its cost effectiveness, is a practical choice for those seeking an economical option, even if it may produce a product that some might perceive as lower quality. One of the trade-offs of this method is that the coffee may lose some of its flavor, but it remains a very popular choice in the affordability category. Now, there's the freeze-drying method. The freeze-drying method, in contrast, is a testament to the precision and quality of instant coffee. It begins with meticulously roasting, grinding, and extraction of the beans. The extracted coffee then undergoes a low-temperature water removal and foaming process to enhance its volume and solubility. The product is then placed into a cold room, frozen at a chilling negative 50 degrees, and finally granulated. These small granules are dried in a vacuum at a slightly higher temperature. Then heat is applied, causing ice crystals to transition into gas, resulting in freeze-dried coffee granules. This intrinsic process yields a more powerful and aromatic cup of instant coffee, making it a top choice for coffee enthusiasts. While the drying process is critical to creating a better end product, one of the primary determining factors is the quality of the raw material you actually start with. And this leads us into the second reason to give instant coffee a try, is the change in the quality of beans used in the process of making this product. For many years, there's been a debate about which species of coffee beans are superior in terms of antioxidant and flavor profile. While it has always been believed that Robusta beans are of lower quality, that is not necessarily the case. Over the years, we have learned that each species' growth and processing determine its flavor profile. Each species has unique characteristics that create an exceptional cup of coffee. Here are some of the facts about these two species of coffee beans. So, Arabica beans have a smoother and sweeter taste and are known for their chocolate flavor notes and fruity undertones. It provides a balanced flavor profile. In contrast, Robusta flavor profile is described as deep and bold with slight nutty undertones. These differences in flavor profiles are often due to how the beans are processed. Robusta is naturally processed and Arabica is washed. Arabica is more costly because it requires specific growing conditions, usually above 3,000 feet and only subtropical climate. Therefore, it's also more labor intensive. The difference in flavor profile is also caused by the fact that Robusta beans have 60% less naturally occurring sugar and fatty acids, which creates a deeper, bolder flavor. While Robusta is hardy and highly resistant to weather, pests, and disease, Arabica beans are more delicate and less resistant to those various external factors. And finally, Robusta has almost twice the amount of caffeine that Arabica does. So ultimately, both of these drying methods and bean varieties produce a unique cup of coffee in their own right. However, Z Natural Foods instant coffee is actually made from Colombian beans grown 100% Arabica on a manufacturer's farm, ensuring the highest quality freeze-dried instant coffee currently on the market. Reason number 3 combines the first two reasons: the ideally grown coffee bean and the correct process to create an outstanding end product. It has developed a higher quality, highly versatile product with almost limitless applications. Contrary to popular belief, coffee is not just for drinking. These modern day freeze-dried coffee processes have allowed coffee to spread its wings and significantly impact the culinary world. From the most straightforward application of adding instant coffee to protein shakes and smoothies, or sprinkling it atop your favorite dessert, to infusing or crushing your favorite, or infusing and crusting your favorite protein source, you will quickly learn this food's versatile capabilities. Here are a few simple applications to using coffee within the culinary world. Please keep in mind that depending on your methods, these suggestions can either intensify or add a mild coffee note to the recipe. The first is pasta. If you're a pasta lover and enjoy making it fresh, adding instant coffee to the pasta dough and tossing it in a brown butter sauce will create a deliciously unforgettable dish. Smoothies and hot drinks. Adding to your hot cacao or smoothie is a slightly more straightforward application, but will still leave your taste buds dancing and wanting more. Nut butters. If you're a nut butter fan, or a fan of the trendy nut butter balls, simply rolling them in instant coffee grinds makes a perfect flavor profile match. Sauces. Adding instant coffee to chocolate, berry, tomato, or barbecue sauce and allowing it to simmer slowly for several hours will create a delicious coffee note in the background. This method prevents the coffee flavor from overwhelming the sauce itself. Oatmeal. If you start your day out with a bowl of oatmeal, add some instant coffee to the oatmeal as it's cooking. This method perfectly kills two birds with one stone, a hot breakfast and a hot cup of coffee. Salad dressings. If you enjoy making your own salad dressing, blending instant coffee grinds and letting them sit for 24 hours is a really unique way of doing this. The result will be an unforgettable salad dressing or marinade, especially if you use aged balsamic vinegar. And finally, the frozen treats. A great way to use this for frozen treats is to pass on the iced coffee and make a coconut milk instant coffee popsicle for a summertime treat. Keep in mind the above list is only the beginning of a vast array of culinary treats you can create. Your lack of creativity is your only limitation. Reason number 4 is that instant coffee provides, on a lower level, many of the nourishing qualities of a regular cup of coffee. Again, this is a testament to the freeze-drying process. As mentioned in some of our previous articles, according to the Phenol Explorer database, coffee is ranked number 11 in the top 100 best antioxidant foods. While there can be some variation on average amounts of chlorogenic acid found in Robusta beans is the 7 to 14% compared to the only 4 to 8% found in Arabica beans. Here's a secret tip to increase your instant coffee polyphenol antioxidant activity. Add some coffee berry extract powder to your instant coffee grinds. Keep in mind the roasting level significantly impacts polyphenol levels as well. And the 5th and final reason is that instant coffee can be a quick and easy source of balanced energy when combined with the correct ingredients. Adding the proper tonics such as medicinal mushrooms and astragalus or adaptogens such as rhodiola and ashwagandha or one of the various forms of ginseng can produce a long-lasting balanced energy that can provide nourishment and stable mental clarity. These robust plants provide a healthy, balanced state of homeostasis, allowing us to adapt to external stressors more effectively. Ultimately, what was once known as instant coffee has completely changed its flavor profile. It allows its wide array of simple applications to take your favorite classics and recreate something new and exciting that your taste buds will love. We're not suggesting you replace your morning cup of coffee, or hopefully, if you're using a more advanced tonic coffee with instant coffee. However, we see instant coffee's tremendous value and hope you will try some of the above suggestions. Please feel free to let us know if we have changed your mind about the value of a high quality cup of instant coffee, because we always look forward to hearing from you. This is Mike Stucino, Master Herbalist with Z Natural Foods. I'll see you next time.